Hello, little stars. I am letter K. Today you are going to learn about me and the things that start with K.
K is for king. King starts with letter K.
Hello, stars. I am Knife. You can cut fruits and vegetables from me. Knife starts with letter K. Hello, friends. I am Kangaroo. I live in the jungle. Kangaroo starts with letter K. Hello, friend. I am Kite. Kite starts with letter K. Hello, friend. I am Kettle. Kettle will starts with letter KK today. Hello, children. I am Key. Key starts with letter K.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new letter K. Look at this big letter. This is letter K. Let us say it together. K. Look at King K for king. A king lives in a big palace and wears a crown. Look at this animal. K is also for kangaroo. A kangaroo can jump very high. It lives in jungle. K is for knife. We see a knife in the kitchen. We must be careful with it. Knife is used to cut vegetables and fruits. Look at this picture, children. K is for key. A key helps us open locks and doors. Look at this picture, children. K is for kite. A kite flies high in the sky when the wind blows. Look at this picture. K is for kettle. We see a kettle in the kitchen. We must be careful with it.
Hello, friend. I am a muffin. Look at us. There are many muffins here. This side has more. More means many, many muffins together. Hello, friend. Now look at me. I am a muffin too. We are only a few here.
Hello, little stars. Today we are going to learn a very fun maths concept called more and less. So look carefully at the page. See the muffins on this side. Muffins is very sweet dish. So see there are many muffins here. So we say this side has more. More means many things together. When the number is big, we call it more, like these pink muffins, children. Now look at the other side. These are the less in quantity. See there are only a few muffins here. So we say this side has less. Less means fewer things. When the number is small, we call it less, like these less sweet pink muffin, children. Very good, children. You did a great.
Hello, children. I am a dog. I am your pet and your friend. I guard my house and bark when I see strangers.
I love to eat bones and meat. I also eat bread. I like to play, run, and dig in the ground. I am loyal and I love my family.
Hello, children. I am a cat. I am a gentle pet.
I love to drink milk and eat fish. I keep myself clean every day. My baby is called a kitten. Meow. We are lovely pets and we need love and care.
My baby kitten only drinks milk, not fish and meat like me.
Hello, little stars. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about pets, the dog and the cat, the kitten, the fish. First, let us talk about the dog. A dog is a faithful animal that guards our house and barks loudly. Now let us learn about the cat. A cat is a soft and gentle pet that loves to drink milk and eat fish, and it keeps itself clean by licking its body. The young one of a cat is called a kitten. Kittens are small, playful and very cute, and they love to run and jump around. They only drink milk, not fish. So today we learned about dog, cat and kitten. All animals need love, care, food and a safe place to live, and we must always be kind to them.
Hello, children. I am number 21. I come after 20. Today you will learn about me and the fishes on the page.
Hello, children. We are 21 fishes. We can swim in the ocean and live in an aquarium at your house.
Hello, my little stars. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new number called 21. Look at this big number on the page, children. This is number 21. It is made by joining number 2 and number 1 together. It comes after 20 when we counting numbers. Now let us count the fish slowly and carefully. Watch the fish and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So children, when we count all the fish together, we get 21 fish. That is why this number is called 21. Bye-bye.
Hello, friends. I am a dog. Look at my ears, eyes, teeth, and tail. I have 4 paws to run fast. I live on land and love playing in the garden.
Hello, friends. I am a cat. Look at my whiskers, paws, and sharp claws. My tail helps me balance. I walk softly and quietly. Hello, friends. I am fish. I have fins to swim and a tail to move fast. I have eyes but no legs. Water is my world.
Hello children, today we will learn about a pet animal. Some people keep animals at home such as a dog, cat or fish. Now look at the page. Some people keep fish in a glass tank called an aquarium. The aquarium is filled with clean water and plants for the fish. Now look at the dog. A dog has 2 ears, 2 eyes, 4 paws, a tail and sharp teeth. Each body part helps the dog in different ways. Now look at the cat. This is a cat. A cat has whiskers, paws, claws, ears and a long tail. Whiskers help the cat feel things around it. Now look at the fish. A fish has eyes, fins and a tail. Fins help the fish to swim. The tail helps it move forward in water. Very good children.
Hello children, I am letter L. See how many on the page start with L. L for lion, L for lady, L for lotus and L for lizard. Hooray for letter L.
Hello friends, I'm a lion. L for lion. I live in the jungle. I'm strong, but I'm also kind. I walk slowly and proudly in my green jungle home. Hello friends, I'm a lion. L for lion. I live in the jungle. I'm strong, but I'm also kind. I walk slowly and proudly in my green jungle home.
Hello everyone, I am a lotus. L for lotus. I am a beautiful flower that loves the water. I bring peace and calm. Hi there, I am a lizard. L for lizard. I love to climb and explore. This garden is full of exciting things.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new letter L. This is a lion. A lion lives in the jungle. Lion is king of jungle because it is strong and brave. L for lion. Now see this picture. L is a lady. A lady is a grown-up woman. She is kind and caring. Now children, look at this beautiful flower. This is a lotus. A lotus grows in water. L for lotus. Look at this small reptile. L the lizard. It crawls on walls and trees. It moves very fast. So children, today we learned L for lion, lotus, lady and lizard.
Hello little learners. Today we are learning the number 22. Look at me, I am big number on the page. I am 22. Hello little stars, we are cats. We 22 cats on the page. We live in your house you can play with. We are very cute animals. Now our teacher will explain you more.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Look at this big number on the page children. This is number 22. It is made by joining number 2 and number 1 together. It comes after 21 when we counting numbers. Children, now look at the cat on the page. The cat is an animal. We can raise cats as pets at home. There are 22 cats on the page children. We will count them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Very good. Wonderful counting everyone. This is number 22. Remember, 2 and 2 make 22.
Hello little one. I am number 23. I am big and bold. I come after 22 when we count numbers. Today you will learn about me. Hello children, we are 23 caps on the page. We are in pink color. You can wear us. When you going out in sunny day, we help you to protect you head and face from heat.
Hello little learners. Today we are learning the number 23. We write it as 2 and 3 together. When we read it, we say 23. It comes after 22 while we counting numbers. Now look at the pink objects on the page. These are caps. Cap means a small hat that we wear on our head to protect from heat. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Very good children. Today we learned that 23 gapcock.